Hey there, good morning, good afternoon, whatever good time it is for you. I feel like I should have that sound effect from the computer video games. Wah, 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 wah. Yesterday was a hiccup day, day 208. I didn't do anything. So, as disciplined as I am, I hope you're more disciplined than I am, but if you're not, don't beat yourself up. Take the day and make sure you do, twice if you can to make up for it, but at least keep the momentum going. Okay, so you skipped a step, you uh, tripped and stumbled, but just keep going because now is the important day, the day after the hiccup, that you keep back on track. Because it's very easy to take another hiccup day and then 2 hiccup days can lead to quitting. So don't do that today. So that's my lesson. Yeah. So getting back at it today, and it's also going to be doubly challenging since Humor Boot Camp is coming up. Starting tomorrow, create your keynote one day before the Humor Camp. Anyway, sorry, not that you are concerned, but um, didn't make progress today, but getting back to it today. What can you do when you have a hiccup day?